Hello viewers, welcome to the video series of solved question paper. So the part A will consist of 15 questions, out of which you need to answer only 10 questions. 15 question and each carries 1 marks. So you need to answer 10 questions. So first question is, give an example of a relation which is symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. So this will be a relation, R will be a relation which is defined on the set 1, 2, 3, and it's defined as R is equal to the collection of 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 is symmetric and transitive, but this is not a reflexive relation. So this relation defined as 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, this relation is symmetric, transitive but not reflexive. Next question is, define a binary operation. So the definition is, the binary operation, it's nothing but it's a function. It is a function and it is symbolized by this star symbol, and it is defined as star is defined as, it's defined on the set A as A cross A mapped to A. So star is defined as A cross A mapped to A. Find the principal value of, the third question is, find the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to, so cos will be negative in the third quadrant. So third quadrant is, this is pi minus the angle is third quadrant. So cos is negative in third quadrant. So pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos will be negative in third quadrant, third and fifth, so third and fourth. So pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Pi minus cos in the trigonometric table, value table, cos will take the value 1 by 2 at what angle? So it will take the half value, cos will take half value at 60 degree. So that is pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So the value of this is pi by 3. If you simplify this, 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. Fourth question is, find the value of x if sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 1. So given sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 1. So if we send sine to LHS, RHS, we get sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 1. So if sine goes to this side, if sine goes to the RHS, it becomes sine inverse. The function becomes sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to, so the sine will take the value 1 in trigonometric value table. 1 will come if in the angle of pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 is 1. So sine inverse is pi by 2. So cos inverse x is equal to, since we need to find the value of x, I will retain this and send this sine inverse 1 by 5 to the RHS. Sine inverse 1 by 5. So x is equal to, I need to find the value of x. So cos, if we send it, if it goes to the RHS, it becomes cos. Inverse become cos. So cos of this value angle, pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 5. So x is equal to pi by 2 minus some angle is nothing but pi by 2 minus is the first quadrant. In first quadrant, cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. Cos, since cos pi by 2 minus theta is, cos becomes sin theta. In the value of theta we have sin inverse of 1 by 5, so this becomes sin inverse 1 by 5 sin theta. Cos becomes sin, so x value is 1 by 5. The value of x is 1 by 5. Fifth question is define a row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. What is row matrix? It is a matrix which has only one row. Sixth question is find x if determinant of x 18 to x equals determinant 6 18 to 6. X square minus 18 to the 36 equals, simplify this determinant by cross multiplying. 6 6 are 36 minus 18 to the 36. So x square minus 36 is 0. X square is 36. So x is square root of 36. X is plus or minus. So the value of x is plus or minus 6. So seventh question is if y is e to the power of cos x, find the derivative dy by dx. To find what is given? Given is y is equal to e to the power of cos x. We know that if we differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is the differentiation of exponential function is the exponential function itself, e to the power of cos x. Since there is another function cos x, the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this is the answer. Differentiation of exponential function is e to the power of cos x into the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. If eighth question is if y is equal to sine of x square plus 5, find dy by dx. So given y is a sine function. It also contains another function x square plus 5. So if we differentiate with respect to x, this will become differentiation of a sine function is cos function x square plus 5. X square plus 5 is another function, so it is differentiation of x square is 2x and 5 is a constant 0. So sine function is cos function and the differentiation of x square plus 5 is 2x plus 0. So 0 is negligible, so differentiation is 2x. Question is find the integration of 2x square plus e to the power of x into dx. The integration will be integration of 2x square plus e to the power of x is integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of exponential function is exponential plus constant should be written. So this is the integration of this solution. Next 10th question is evaluate integrate 1 over x dx within the limit 2 to 3. Solution is if we integrate 1 over x dx, integration of 1 over x is it's a log x 2 to within the limit 2 to 3. First apply the upper limit. Upper limit is 3 log 3 minus log 2. And by the property of logarithms, this minus can be changed to division. So log 3 minus log 2 is log 3 by 2. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So by that property the of logarithmic, we can write this as 3 by 2. 11th question is find the unit vector in the direction of the vector a is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. So we know that this is a vector. So unit vector in this direction is, it is denoted by a cap. This is a unit vector. How it is defined? It is defined as the vector a divided by the modulus of vector a, divide by its magnitude. Take a vector and divide by its magnitude, we get the unit vector. So the given vector is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. That is the vector a. Now we need to find the magnitude of this vector and divide, we get the unit vector in this direction. So to find the magnitude of vector a, vector is nothing but square root of the component, square of the component. So 2 square plus 3 square plus, if there is nothing here, we should consider it as 1 square. This is nothing but square root of 4 plus 9 plus 1, square root of 14. So finally the unit vector will be, vector a is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap, divide by the magnitude of this vector is root 14. This is the right. 13th question is write the two different vectors having same magnitude. So two vectors is, let vector a be a defined as a is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and let vector b be I cap minus j cap minus k cap. So let these be the two vectors. Then find out the modulus value of the vectors. Nothing but square root of the components of I cap, j cap, k cap is 1 1 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Square of the 1 square plus 1 square. Similarly, modulus of vector b is also 1 square. Here the adjacent is of j cap is minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. So modulus is 3, square root of 3. Here also the mod of this vector, magnitude of this vector is root 3. So both are two different vectors, but they have same magnitude, root 3. Next, 13th question is write the direction cosines of x-axis. Direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0 or minus 1, 0, 0. The y and z place should be 0 and x place should be 1 or minus 1. So these are the direction cosines of x-axis. 14th question is define a feasible region of LPP. The common region determined by all the constraints of a LPP is called the feasible region. Next, the 15th question is if P of B is equal to 0.5 and P of A intersection B is 0.32, then we need to find the P of A by B. So it is defined as, P of A by B is defined as P of A intersection B over P of B. Since both value of are given, just substitute, divide it. So the answer is 0.64. Therefore, P of A by B is 0.64.